The forest awakens as the sun rises, painting the scene in a warm, golden light. The gentle music of nature fills the air as birds sing their morning songs. The narrator speaks, setting the stage for a day of learning. Today, we will embark on a learning adventure, counting with the help of some very special friends. A cluster of fireflies twinkles, their lights dancing in the darkness. A voice whispers, "They are magical helpers." Squirrel descends from the tree, his bushy tail twitching with anticipation. "Can anyone help me count my acorns?" Squirrel asks, his tiny nose twitching. Fireflies ascend from the forest floor, their lights blinking in unison. The fireflies form a glowing number 1 in the sky. The narrator begins the count. 1. Squirrel cheers. "Yay! That's 1 acorn." Bunny hops into a sunny clearing, nose twitching, sensing the promise of treats. He spots carrots, their vibrant orange tops a tempting invitation amidst the green. He wonders about the bounty before him. Fireflies blink into existence, their lights swirling to form a glowing number. 1, 2, that's 2 carrots. Perfect for sharing. Raccoon wiggles excitedly by the riverbank, his little paws finding shiny pebbles. "Let's count them together," Raccoon exclaims, his eyes sparkling with joy. Fireflies dance above the river, forming the number 3 in the air. The narrator counts down. 1, 2, 3. The raccoon leaps with joy. 3 sparkly treasures. "Thank you," the raccoon exclaims. An owl descends from a branch, its sharp eyes catching sight of feathers drifting in the breeze. Feathers dance in the air, twirling gently. Fireflies gather, their lights blinking, forming a glowing 4. The narrator and audience count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Owl hoots from the branch. "Hoo hoo." 4 soft feathers. Fox trots happily through the field, eager to count the leaves. Fireflies gather, their lights blinking in unison to form the number 5 in the air. Red leaves swirl gently in the wind, dancing around the fox. The narrator and audience unite in a countdown. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Fox exclaims with delight. "That's 5 bright red leaves. They're so pretty." A deer approaches an apple tree, his gaze sweeping the ground. He seeks the fallen fruit, eager to count the apples scattered beneath the branches. 6 apples drop from the tree, one by one, as if nature itself is counting. Fireflies gather, their lights weaving together to form the shape of the number 6. The narrator and audience count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Deer exclaims with delight. 6 juicy apples, I'll share with my friends. Hedgehog waddles through the forest, his eyes lighting up at the sight of fresh mushrooms. Fireflies dance, forming the number 7 in the air. "Let's count them," Hedgehog exclaims, his gaze fixed on the mushrooms. The mushrooms emerge from the earth, each one sparkling with magic. The narrator and audience begin counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, Hedgehog exclaims. 7 silly mushrooms. Let's giggle together. Hee hee. Bear pauses at a blueberry bush, his eyes silently seeking help with counting. A cluster of fireflies appears, their lights merging to form the shape of an 8. As if by magic, ripe blueberries detach and float upwards. The narrator and audience count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Bear exclaims with delight. 8 tasty blueberries. I'm going to make a pie. Turtle watches butterflies flutter around. 9 butterflies flutter in. Fireflies gather and form the number 9. In the heart of the forest, voices rise in unison, counting softly through the trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turtle, eyes wide with wonder, whispers, 9 fluttery butterflies. Just like a dream. Sunlight filters through the leaves as animals gather in the forest clearing. Fireflies dance joyfully above, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of light. How many friends are there today? In the heart of the forest, fireflies ignite the night, their collective glow forming a radiant 10. United in the clearing, squirrel, bunny, raccoon, owl, fox, deer, hedgehog, bear, and turtle stand together, bathed in ethereal light. The fireflies dance, their light weaving through the group, completing the magical ensemble. The narrator initiates the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The forest animals erupt in triumphant unison. We did it. We counted to 10. Magical sparkles dance through the forest, illuminating the night with a vibrant glow. Fireflies weave through the air, painting numbers in a glowing rainbow sequence. That's the magic of counting with forest friends and fireflies. Fireflies dance in the night, their gentle light embracing the slumbering forest creatures. Stars shimmer like diamonds, scattered across the night sky. Good night, everyone. Remember, counting can be magical.